Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Court. So guys, I don't want us to waste time on this hair. I've already combed the hair already. I just remember to make a video for us. Do you understand, guys? So after you have combed the hair thoroughly, let's just dive into it. I don't want to talk too much because a lot of people have been saying I talk too much. Let's just dive into it. So for those of you that just see my video for the first time, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and share this video, like and comment. Let other people benefit from it. So now, this is what we call what? Afro what? High fade, high top. Some people call it Afro flat top. Do you understand? You see that this hair is very, very high. This is Afro round cut. It's still Afro round cut, but it's very, very high. And the up is going to be what? It's going to be flat. That's why we call it flap top. Do you understand? Now, after you have sterilized your clip already, comb the hair thoroughly, the next thing you need to do is to create the first guideline. As you can see this hair now, you can see that this hair, the first guideline is going to be skin. The second guideline is going to be what? Local blade. Then the third guideline, which is going to be what? Step 1, to blend the hair. You have seen this hair now. I'm the one that textured this hair. I'm the one that built this hair. Do you understand? So let's go. I know by this time now you would have known how to create what? Afro round cut. Even the one that is everywhere is bushy. I made a video for that. Like even if the one that comes like this, you know how to start it. Do you understand? Now the first guideline is going to be what? It's going to be on what? Skin level. You join the blades together. Make sure they are well joined together. Please share this video, like and comment. Say anything you want to say. Then you raise your hand upward. Remember that I told you that not that I cannot start it like this, the first guideline, but I don't like it. I like raising it up. Why? Because I don't want the blade to get what? I don't want it to get weak. Do you understand? So once you raise your hand upwards, follow it accordingly. Make sure that the blades are well set so that you will not injure your customer. Do you understand? So after you raise it up first, then you turn your hand downward to spin it. Can you see what I'm doing? What the way my hand is moving? This is tutorial purpose, so I'm going to take it slow and steady. Remember what I told you, that barbering requires what? Your maximum time, focus and attention, and you have to be what? Patient. So can you see what I just did now? So I've created the first guideline. You can see it now. Now we are going to create what? The second guideline. You put it what? I said it's going to be on what? It's going to be on low cut level. Put it on low cut. You texture it very well. Follow it accordingly. Make sure you're brushing the hair down. This is very, very simple, and at the same time it's very, very difficult. If your mind is not here, if you don't know what you are doing, if you are not calculating it very well, I told us that barbering requires what? Calculation. You must be very, very calculative. Now I've created the second guideline. Now when you look closely, you see that there is a line here between the first guideline and the second guideline. How are you going to clean it? You join the blade. Don't join it together fully. You just reduce it small, because if you join it fully first, you are going to still create line. There will still be line. So you join it small. Raise the edge, raise the tip of the blade, the edge of the blade. Use it to clean it off. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? If you know you are learning something from this video, please share, like and comment. And subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Once you subscribe, turn your notification bell on so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to see it. So after you have cleaned it finish, you still put it on low cut level, open it. You still smoothing that place again. You still smoothing it like this. Watch what I'm doing. So after you have done the second guideline, the next thing you are going to do is to pick up your step 1. Why? Because see, look at it now. Step 1 can hold it. But now let me teach us something. Watch very well. That's why I told you that whenever you are watching a video, have time, have patience, watch it from beginning to the end. You must surely learn one or two that you don't know before. Now I'm going to use my 1.5 guard. Can you see this? I'm going to use my 1.5 guard to create, this I have grown now. See, the outer layer is much, so you are going to use your 1.5 guard to create the shape again. Do you understand? So you put it on low cut level, on low cut blade before you put it. See, you raise it up like this. See the way I'm flipping it. Watch closely, please. Share this video, like and comment. If I'm not doing it right, please correct me in the comment section. Nobody knows it all. See what I'm doing, guys. See the way I'm flipping it. I'm creating the shape. Remember, this is what? Afro cut what? Flat top. So the trimming is going to be flat. So watch it. You see the way I'm flipping it. After you have used 1.5 guard to create it. But if here is bushy, if here is too much, you use your step 2. You understand? Because of this hair is not too much. That's why I use my 1.5. And if, as you can see, that it's not removing too much of hair. I'm only using it to create the shape of the afro round cut. Can you see it? It goes round. So after you have flipped it up, finished, created the shape, you use your step 1. Can you see it now? You make use of your step 1. Insert it, still put it on low cut level. You see I'm flipping it. Can you see it? You see I'm flipping it, guys. Please, when you are watching my video, make sure you are listening to what I'm saying. Not that you come and comment and still be asking me what I said. You will be asking what I said, whereas you did not listen to it. Please, you people too should help me, because it's not easy to make video. I know that. See, I'm even managing any info that I see to make sure that I make a video that you people will relate to it. But people will not watch it to the end. I understand what I'm saying. And to those that said I talk too much, I never blamed you. I just sacrifice myself to make sure that I'm making this video so other people learn. But I'm happy that people that said that I'm talking too much, they are not even up to 3. Other people are commenting that they are learning a lot, and I'm so happy. A lot of people have been commenting that they are learning a lot. In fact, their bathing skills have changed since they met my channel. Their bathing skills have changed, and I'm thankful. I told them that all thanks goes to God. Do you understand? So after you have used the step 2 to flip it up, see, you see the, can you see the shape is coming out already, right? So after you have done it like this, finish, the next thing you need to do is to turn your hand downward and you blend the tip. Blend it like this. This is tutorial purpose. That is why I'm taking it this way. Make sure you are brushing it down. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? After you have done it like this, finish, you put it towards. You put it on. Wait, guys. Sorry guys, NEPA took the light, so I went to on gen. So like I said, after you done flipping it up, you bring your hand downward. You see what I'm doing? You blend it downward. After you blend it downward, finish, you raise your hand up, put it on what? Skin. You put it on skin level, join the blade together. You put it on step 1. You put it on step 1, then you flip it. See, I'm doing it small. Don't too go up. If you go up, it will create another line, and you will start blending it again. Before you know it, now this afro round cut will now be small. So you have to be very, very careful here. Do you understand? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? Make sure you take your time. So see, watch it very well. See what I'm doing? So after After you have done it like this, finish, you remove your step 1, put it on what? Low cut level. Find what I'm doing, put it on low cut level by bringing the gear downward. You see it? See how I'm doing it? Watch how my hand is moving. Once you follow this process that I'm doing, either the hair is soft or strong, it doesn't matter. It is smoothing the hair very well. So follow it like this. After that, you bring your hand downward. You blend it, the tip. You see, I'm not going inside. You see it? You see I'm doing it, guys. You see I'm doing it. For someone commented that my video is too long. I don't know why. If you know that you are not ready to learn, just stop. Just don't watch. Instead of you to appreciate me that I have time to make this video to explain everything, you are telling me that the video is too long. So how do you want to learn? Do you think barbing is without any hard work? That's why I told us that you must be what? Very good at what you are doing, so that when customer come, charge the customer and take your time and barb the hair. Don't rush hair because you want to make money, maybe the customer is waiting. No, take your time. You understand? So you see I'm doing it. Barbing is like you are doing operation for somebody. You must take your time. So carry it up again. Hope you're understanding something, but I really do not want this video to be too long. I really do not want it to be too long. So watch it very well. Watch what I'm doing. After you've done it like this, finish. After you've done it like this, finish. The next thing you need to do, you take up your comb, you comb it out. You comb it out like this. Watch what I'm going to do. Watch closely. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you know that we are trying, give us a thumbs up. Comment to encourage us and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification bell on whenever you subscribe. So watch what I'm going to do. After you know that all the blending is well blended, the next thing you need to do is to comb out the hair. Once you don't combing out the hair, you put it on low cut level. You put it on low cut level. Be listening to what I'm saying as you are watching. Put it on low cut level. You trim it like this. You see I'm trimming it. Watch how my hand is moving. Watch how I'm holding the clipper. Watch how my hand is moving. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Watch how my hand is moving. Can you see it? Can you see how my hand is moving? I told us that it's going to be what? The up is going to be flat. That is why we call it flat top. Can you see it? Like I told you, watch closely. Anywhere you see that I did not do well, tell me that I did not do there well, so that I will learn. Remember, I told us that up is going to be flat. That's why we are trimming it like this. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. Do you understand? 4 corner. It's going to be 4 corner. So after you trim it finish. I don't want this video to be too long though. But after you trim it finish, the next trimming you do now is to make the up to be flat up. Still put it on low cut level and you follow it accordingly. Watch it very well. You see I'm doing it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? See how I'm trimming it. Remember, this is tutorial purpose. That's why I'm doing it like this, for you to understand what I'm doing. Do you understand, guys? So after you do it like that, finish, you still do it. Make sure that it's 4 corner. Do you understand, guys? Make sure you share, like, comment to encourage us to do more. Share this video, let other people benefit from it, please. So you see it's going to be what? I told her that it's going to be flat top. Can you see the up already? Can you see the up? It's getting flat, right? Can you see it? Then, like I told us that I'm not going to the other side. I'm not going to the other side because This chair is not a rotatory chair. Please, you people should, if you know you are benefiting a lot from my videos, nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Understand? Support us to get a rotatory chair because it's for our own benefit. So that anything I do here, if I want to do this, I will just rotate the chair. Do you understand, guys? Support us so that we get a rotatory chair for our own benefit. You know, chair is very, very expensive now. It's for our own good. So that once I'm done here now, I'll just rotate the chair. I will still be at the place and be doing what I'm doing. All of you will see it. But as it stands now, I hope you have gotten the basics how I got this shape, this Afro High Flat top. You got it right. Whatever I did here is something I will do to this side, but I'm not taking this camera to this side. Like I said, this chair, if I take the camera to this side, it will not be clear. You understand? So support us, pray for us to have see money to get a rotatory chair that will benefit all of us. So I want to start this video here now, and I believe and I know that you got something from this video. Thank you for watching. We love you. This is our universal code. Make sure you share. Let me stop it here. When I'm done this side, then I will smoothen it for the customer to go. I want to stop the video here. Thank you all. I love you all. Subscribe for more. Turn your notification bell on. Love you guys.